Hey guys, I think we've loaded in. So yeah, hey guys, I'm looking for people to do the BGS events. If you want to enter, all I need you to do is follow the steps. So if you want to win events, the winner of the event will get 15 spins to try and win Giant Chocolate Chicken. So if you win 3 events, you get 15 spins. How you win events is I need 4 people. So this is the requirements in the chat. Actually, I'm not going to put in the chat. So the first requirement you need is you need to be a subscriber. Okay. I only need 4 people. So it's first comment, first come. Cause yeah, this so once I find 4 people, you're gonna do obbies, etc. And more stuff. So yeah, so if you win out of all of them, you get 1 point. It's first to 3 points. So yeah. Noob. I'm currently trolling a scammer, so yoink. So yeah, okay guys, that's the event. So if you win 3 events, 15 spins. It's the goodwill, by the way, not like a bad will, you get a goodwill. So yeah, you can win the secret pet. So if you want to do it, just comment me and why you want to be in the event. Okay guys, bye bye. Good luck in the event, by the way.